The psychology of why boring businesses are quietly making millionaires in 2026. If you judge the business world by social media alone, you might believe the only way to build wealth is through the newest AI startup, a viral app, or the next revolutionary technology. Every day, millions of people are shown exciting success stories that make entrepreneurship look fast, glamorous, and constantly changing. Yet, behind the scenes, a very different reality powers the global economy. Some of the most profitable businesses in 2026 are companies that most people never talk about. They don't trend on social media, they rarely appear in the news, and many people consider them boring. Ironically, that may be exactly what makes them so valuable. Human psychology naturally focuses on novelty. Our brains pay attention to things that are new, exciting, and unpredictable. Economists call this attention bias. Because of it, entrepreneurs often rush toward industries receiving the most publicity while ignoring businesses that quietly solve everyday problems. When thousands of people compete in the same popular markets, competition increases, advertising becomes more expensive, and profit margins become smaller. Meanwhile, industries that receive little attention often face far less competition while continuing to serve customers every single day. Think about the businesses that keep a city running. Commercial cleaning companies prepare offices before employees arrive each morning. HVAC technicians repair heating and cooling systems. Plumbing businesses respond when buildings have leaks. Waste management companies collect trash regardless of the economy. Accountants prepare financial records every year. Logistics companies move products from factories to stores. None of these businesses are exciting to watch on YouTube, but society depends on them every single day. The economics behind these businesses is surprisingly simple. Essential services create recurring demand. A building doesn't need to be cleaned only once. Air conditioners don't require maintenance only once. Businesses don't file taxes only once. Customers continue returning because the problems continue returning. This creates more predictable revenue than businesses that depend entirely on constantly finding new customers. History shows the same pattern repeatedly. During every major technological revolution, attention focuses on breakthrough inventions, but long-term wealth is often created by the businesses supporting those innovations. During the rise of the internet, software companies grew rapidly, but so did payment processors, logistics firms, cybersecurity providers, and data centers. Today, artificial intelligence is creating similar opportunities. While many entrepreneurs race to build the next AI product, others are quietly building businesses that install, maintain, secure, and support AI systems for companies around the world. Behavioral economics explains why many people overlook these opportunities. Status often influences decision-making. Starting a futuristic technology company sounds impressive, while owning a commercial cleaning company may not. But customers rarely pay for prestige, they pay for solutions. Businesses that consistently solve expensive problems often create more stable income than businesses built only around excitement. There is also the power of compounding. A company that grows steadily year after year may eventually outperform one that experiences dramatic highs followed by difficult lows. Consistent customer relationships, careful cost management, and operational efficiency can produce sustainable growth over long periods. It may not generate headlines, but it creates resilience. This doesn't mean every boring business is automatically successful. Good management, reliable service, and financial discipline remain essential. However, one important lesson stands out. Public attention and economic value are not the same thing. The businesses receiving the most online attention are not always the businesses creating the strongest long-term foundations. Perhaps the biggest mindset shift is learning to separate excitement from opportunity. Instead of asking which industry is trending today, ask which problems people will still be paying to solve 5 or 10 years from now. Trends change quickly, but essential needs change much more slowly. In 2026, many of the companies quietly building long-term wealth are not chasing attention. They are solving everyday problems that the economy simply cannot function without. Sometimes the most ordinary businesses become extraordinary precisely because almost everyone else overlooks them.